Attention! At ease. Sani, katanya yang wallahi kariya tari. Kacan tara da ciki. Na aure ta haje da gida. Yau da dare an tuna ba ta da ciki. Wallahi zan cibe ta ba wata. Zan cibe ta ba wata. Uzo. Da kai da mu zo duka uzo ta mu ci buru mata. Ta ce tara da ciki. Yanzu ba ta da ciki. Uzo na gida, uzo na gida. You have the guts to take my name to your native doctor's place. Every Saturday, you must sweep this village. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you run, you are dead. Where were you when I somersaulted from 21-story building during peacekeeping in Congo? Where were you when I killed 94 people in 3 minutes just to save the kids? 2YC.
Commander, sir.
Explain the meaning of this insubordination.
The duty was shared amongst the soldiers, and the person supposed to keep it neat is yet to do so.
Don't you know that I'm the first wife in this compound and I should be excused from all the household?
Why is he finding it hard providing for us?
Do you think it's easy to marry 5 wives? I have not shared bed with my husband more than twice this year.
You're even lucky. Me is only once this year. Ofuano.
What's my name? What's my name?
I wish I would get lucky and have Commander Boo as a husband.
Are you trying to tell me that you're not seeing the suffering the 5 wives are passing through in his hands?
He cannot do me anything. Has he ever fought war?
I have complaints against Nobat. He has succeeded in turning his wives into soldiers.
You should not talk to your son that gave me the orders.
Who stole my money? No one steals from Commander Boo and goes scot-free. Say your last prayers in silence.
Subscribe
Now.